Yeah, I won't come in too far or I'll get a flat tire. I can get into there though.
Do you want me to move some of that?
No, that's okay. We just took the chain and
okay.
we're just
cool.
Hope for the best.
Hope for the best. You know, some of that stuff could, you know, it's good metal table there to use, you know, for making things on.
Or,
they know I wouldn't use it. It'd have to be on the ground for me to do it.
actually.
What do you think? Yeah, if you put your bucket over that way and...
I'll try this way. You know, this used to fall over and I used to stand it up by myself.
Think we can stand it up or you want to flop it out or what?
You know something, we're letting machines do the work. Then their backs will feel okay at the end of the day.
He's been there for a while, has he?
Not all that long, believe it or not.
I'm going to move some of this stuff.
Okay.
Some lights. Just gotta get in it. Not moving any of that stuff, that's for sure. Rims up. Chevy. I think making windows is easier. For the old Thunderbird, that is.
Oh, you're gonna pass.
Little one.